Okay, so this video is just a refresher of how to use DocHub. I'm just going to open the PDF from my Google Drive, but this will be located in the Schoology assignment. And so I'm going to open it like this, and you might have to download it to your Google Drive since you're using Chromebooks as well. So I'm going to say open with DocHub. And then remember that you go and put in your own text boxes to type in your answers for each of these. And then the important thing you need to do is when you are done is come back to, I think download or export is what we want to choose. And then you'll choose your Google Drive and do it that way. So just make sure that when you are attaching it back to turn in for your assignment that you get the most current one and not the original one that you downloaded to complete.